June 22, 2025. 1 Corinthians 11:23-28. Whenever you eat this bread and drink this cup, you proclaim the Lord's death until He comes. 1 Corinthians 11:26. Remembering the sacrifice. Following the Sunday morning worship service, my Moscow host took me to lunch at a restaurant outside the Kremlin. Upon arrival, we noticed a line of newlywed couples in wedding garb approaching the tomb of the unknown soldier outside the Kremlin wall. The happiness of their wedding day intentionally included remembering the sacrifice others had made to help make such a day possible. It was a sobering sight as the couples took pictures by the memorial before laying wedding flowers at its base. All of us have cause to be thankful for others who made sacrifice to bring a measure of fullness to our lives. None of those sacrifices are unimportant, but neither are those sacrifices are most important. It's only the foot of the cross where we see the sacrifice Jesus made for us and begin to understand now thoroughly our lives are indebted to the Savior. Coming to the Lord's table to take communion reminds us of Jesus' sacrifice, pictured in the bread and cup. Paul wrote, "Whenever you eat this bread and drink this cup, you proclaim the Lord's death until He comes." 1 Corinthians 11:26. May our lives at this table remind us to live every day in remembrance and gratitude of all Jesus has done in us and for us. Loving God, nothing could ever repay the priceless displays of love evidence in Jesus' sacrifice on the cross. Please help me to display my gratitude for what He has done for me. Thank you for hearing my devotion today. God bless us all.